Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account verification with Mint, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your account verification with Mint, start by opening the Mint app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. From this list, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Account Verification. Tap on Account Verification to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Enter your password and proceed. Once logged in, look for the option to reset your verification method. You may be given options such as email or phone verification. Choose your preferred method for receiving the verification link. If you choose email, check your inbox for a message from Mint. If you select phone, wait for a text message with the verification code. Once you receive the email or text, follow the provided link or enter the code in the app. After entering the code, you may be asked to set a new verification method. Select your new desired verification method and follow the on-screen instructions. Confirm your settings once you have completed the setup. Finally, log out of your account and log back in to ensure that the changes took effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.